As in the previous video, I have discussed some of the topics related to the chapter numbers and numeration, and today we will discuss the rest of the topics, that is successor and predecessor, ascending and descending order, formation of the greatest and smallest number. So moving on to the first topic, that is successor and predecessor. Now what is successor and what is predecessor? Successor is one more than the given number, or we can say that it comes just after the given number. On the other hand, predecessor is one less than the given number, or we can say that it comes just before the given number. As you all are familiar of the terms what comes after and what comes before. Now, what comes after is same as successor, only the words are changed, only the terms have been changed, but it means exactly the same as what comes after. And predecessor is also known as what comes before. Now I have also written a formula for successor and for predecessor. Now how can you calculate successor? By adding 1 to the given number. And how can you calculate predecessor? By subtracting 1 from the given number. Let us take an example. If I have 1643 and I want to calculate its successor and predecessor, then how can I calculate it? We just have to write down the number, and after that we have to add 1 in that number. And for predecessor, we will write down the given number and subtract 1 from that number. So after adding 1 to 1643, we will get 1644. And after subtracting 1 from this number, we will get 1642. This is how we can calculate successor and predecessor. Just remember the formula that for successor you have to add 1 in the given number, and for predecessor you have to subtract 1 from that number. So here is the question. The question is, write the predecessor and successor of 11,257,890. So first of all, we will write down the number, and after that for successor we have to add 1 in that number. So after adding 1, we will get, after adding 0 and 1, we'll get 1, then 9, 8, 7, 5, 2 and 11. So the successor of 11,257,890 is 11,257,891. Now for predecessor. For predecessor, we will subtract 1 from the given number. And after subtracting, what do we get? Let's check out. As we know that we cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we have to borrow 1 from here. So here is 10 and here 8 is left. After subtracting 1 from 10, we'll get 9. Here is 8, 8, 7, 5, 2 and 11. So the predecessor is 11,257,889. Moving on to the next topic, that is ascending and descending order. Now what is ascending order? Arranging the given set of numbers from smallest to biggest number. I'm again repeating, arranging the given set of numbers from smallest to biggest number. So ascending means from smallest to biggest. Now what is descending order? Arranging the given set of numbers from biggest to smallest number. I'm again repeating, arranging the given set of numbers from biggest to smallest number. That is biggest to smallest. We have to arrange the numbers from biggest number to smallest number, and here we have to arrange the numbers from smallest number to biggest number. So the question number 2 is arranging in ascending order. Here four set of numbers are given. So first of all, what we have to do, we just have to write down the places over each digit so that it will become easier for us to arrange the given set of numbers in ascending order. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Now just look over the first period, that is here million. Here in the first number, the number which is at million place is 5. In the second number also 5, third number there is 5, and in fourth number there is also 5. So when the first period or the first place digit is same, then we have to move to the second period, that is of 1000. Here that at the 1000 period, in the 1000 period there is 903, in second number there is 93, in third number there is 390, and in fourth one there is 39. So as we all know that in ascending order we have to arrange from smallest to biggest. So in all the four numbers, the smallest one is this one. So we will write this first. 5,39,563. Now the remaining three numbers. Here 903, here 93, and here 390. So in all the three numbers, the smallest one is 93. So we will write it here. After that, these two numbers are left. In this number there is 903, and in this number there is 390. As it's simple that 390 is smaller than 903, so we will first of all we will write down this, and after that at last we will write down this one. Now the next question, that is question number 3, is arrange in descending order. Now what is descending order? In descending order we have to arrange the given set of numbers, the given numbers from biggest to smallest. So here we can see that here the first period is of million, and here at millions place there is 43. In this number there is also 43, here 43 million, and again here 43 million. Now moving on to the next period, that is of 1000. Here at 1000 period there is 6. In this number there is 60. In this number there is 600, and here also 600. So as we all know that 600 is the biggest of all the numbers, but here there are two numbers with this 600 at 1000 place. So we will move on to the next period, that is of ones. Here 789 is written, and here 879 is written. So the biggest of both these numbers is this one, 43,600,000 6,879. Then after this we will write this number 43,600,789. After this we will write this one 43,60,789, and at last we will write 43,06,789. This is how we can do ascending order and descending order. Now the last topic of the chapter is formation of greatest and the smallest number. Now how can you form the greatest number and how can you form the smallest number? To form greatest number, we arrange the given digits in descending order, and to form the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. So for greatest number, arrange in descending order, and to form smallest number, arrange according to the ascending order. Moving on to the question. Here the question is, write the smallest and greatest 6-digit numbers without repeating a digit using 5, 4, 3, 7, 2 and 8. Now for smallest number, we have to arrange the given set of digits in ascending order. So in ascending order, we have to write down the smallest number first. So in these digits, 2 is the smallest number, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 7, and at last 8. And after writing the digits, just place the commas, and commas according to the Indian place value chart, that is first comma after 3 digits and another comma, the next one after 2 digits. Now greatest number. For greatest number, we have to arrange the given set of digits according to the descending order, that is from biggest to smallest. So here the biggest number digit is 8, then 7, then 5, 4, 3 and 2, and after that we have to put the commas, first comma after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. So the smallest number which can be formed from these digits is 2,34,578, and the greatest number is 8,75,432. Now the second part is, the digits given here are 4, 3, 0, 5, 2 and 7. Now one thing which you have to keep in mind is that if there is 0 in the given set of digits, then never ever put 0 on the extreme left. Extreme left means this side is the extreme left. Never put 0 at the extreme left, just put it in the second place position from the left. So for smallest number, as we can see that 0 is the smallest number of all the digits, but as I have told you that if there is 0 in the given set of digits, then never place 0 at first. After 0, 2 is smallest, so we will write down 2 first of all, and after that we will write down 0, then 3, then 4, 5 and 7, and after that we will place the commas according to Indian place value system. And to form greatest number, we will arrange the digits according to the descending order, that is 7, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 0, and after this just put the commas. One more thing also, if you put 0 here at the extreme left position, then it will not be a 6-digit number, it will be considered as a 5-digit number. That's why I have told you to place 0 at the second place, not at the first place, right? That's all for today. This is the last topic and the chapter is completed now. I'm again repeating, if you have any doubt, any query related to the topics which I have discussed, please feel free to ask me anytime. You just have to send me a message about your query at my personal WhatsApp number, and I will try my best to solve it. Thank you.